Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about monkey patching in the Python. So suppose monkey patching means changing the functionality of a class on the runtime. Suppose we have a class A and this class has method, class instance method. Okay, so if I create an object of this class, A object equal to A, and if I call this method A object dot class instance method, then class instance method will be printed. Okay, and suppose now I want to do the monkey patching, so I can print after monkey patch. So for monkey patching, what we can do, we can have a method function. So class instance is a method of the class A, and we have a function like monkey function. In this monkey function we are printing monkey function. This is monkey function. We can assign functions to a variables in the Python. So I can assign a obj dot class instance method. So right now I'm not calling this class instance method. I'm not calling this. I'm using class instance method as a variable, and I'm assigning this method to monkey function. Okay, monkey function. So my class instance method will have monkey function only. Okay, I have assigned monkey function to the class instance method, and now again I'm calling the class instance method. Okay, so let's run this program and see the output. So in the global frame I have a class A class has instance method, class instance method. Okay, and I have a monkey function in the global frame, and I have created a object in the global frame. A is instance of a class, a object is instance of a class. Then I'm calling the class instance method at line number 13. So line number 4, the class instance method will be called, and it will print, see, line number 5, it will print into the output screen class instance method. So class instance method is printed. Now we are printing after monkey patch. So after monkey patch will be printed. So in global frame we have a class A which has a class instance method, and we have a monkey function, C monkey function, and we have a instance of a class A object. Okay, at line number 15, what we are doing, we are assigning monkey function to the class instance method, because in Python we can assign function as a variable to the another variable. Okay, so we are assigning monkey function to the class instance method. So a object has access to the class instance method, and class instance method will be assigned as a monkey function only. Okay, so a object has a class instance method. Okay, and class instance method will have a monkey function. Okay, okay, class instance method of a object is pointing to the monkey function. And line number 16, I'm executing class instance method. So a object will execute class instance method, and indirectly eventually it will execute the monkey function only. So execution of monkey function will happen. So so at line number 9 it will print this is a monkey function. So this is known as monkey patching. So what we are doing at the runtime, doing the modification to the class. So doing the modification to the class or module at runtime is known as monkey patching. So we are assigning monkey function to the class instance method at the runtime, and we are calling the class instance method. And now suppose after this assignment, I want to call this class instance method only. I don't want to call this monkey function. So how we can achieve it? So what we can do, we can store class instance method into a temporary variable. We can store class instance method into the temporary variable. Okay, and we can print after assign to original. And now what we can do, we can reassign to the original a object dot, and now we can call the class instance method. Okay, so let's execute this program and see the output. So we have a class A in the global frame. We have a monkey function in the global frame. We have created a object of class A, and we are calling the class instance method, so it will print class instance method into the output screen. Then at line number 14 we are printing after monkey page, so it will be printed, and we are assigning a temp, we are assigning class instance method into the temp variable. So temp variable will have class instance method. This instance method will be assigned to the temp variable. Okay. And then we are doing the monkey patching. Okay. So we are assigning a object dot class instance method equal to monkey function at line number 16. So a object of class instance method will have monkey function only. At line number 17 we are calling the class instance method. So eventually class instance method will call the monkey function only. So see line number 8. This is monkey function will be printed because eventually monkey function is getting executed. Then we are printing after reassign to original. And what we are doing, we are assigning class instance method of a object class instance method to the temporary variable, and temporary variable has class instance method only. See, a object has a class instance method, and we are assigning this class instance method to class instance method. Okay. So it will not have the monkey function. This class instance method will not have the monkey function now. It will have class instance method. See line number 20. So see, temporary variable also printing to class instance method, and a object has a class instance method variable and it has class instance method only. And line number 21 we are calling class instance method. So line number 4 and 5 will be executed. It will print class instance method. Okay, so this is how monkey patching works in the Python. We can do modification of a class and or module on runtime. I hope you understood it. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.